Welcome back guys to another quick and direct analysis of the S&P 500. Let's start with the weekly chart. I have been talking about the 3900 to 3700 range and this purple 100 moving average, and look at this, we have retested this just like what happened over here, creating a double bottom on the weekly. So we are at very crucial support for the S&P 500. There is a chance of a relief rally that can happen from next week, given that look at this purple line giving us support 2019, 2016. This was over time extreme action going towards the 200 moving average, but we can see how important the purple moving average is, and we have tested this again. If we are not able to hold this, then we are going towards the 3500 mark available over here, which will create new lows on the S&P 500. But let me show you something very interesting on the daily chart. Again, we can see the same double bottom, but look at the RSI sitting at 28.9, and we can see historically 30 and below is where you really get rewarded on the daily in the short term. So I am hopeful for a relief rally that might start from next week. So we might see price picking up, taking us to 38 and a half as first level, 3900, and then hopefully if there is a full pump we can see 4000 level also. All over the media I can see people are extremely fearful, and the media is presenting a narrative of extreme recession, extreme fear. Even if I look at the fear and greed index, we are at 24, sitting in extreme fear. Once again, another important thing I want to show you is the put and call option reaching at this point. This was the June 16 low we saw in the market, and then saw a good run passing 4100 on the Nasdaq, and we are almost at that level. So yeah, whenever everyone is in extreme fear, that is the time to actually enter the market, and that is where risk to reward starts making sense. Given that guys, of course Friday I have entered the market at these current levels because we have found the double bottom right now, hoping for a bounce from here. Also looking at the 4-hour chart, once again guys, we can see RSI touching 25, and this again on the 4-hour chart shows us that this RSI level is rewarded in the short term. And then we saw a wick towards the downside, and immediately buyers entered the market pushing the price up, very similar to this one over here. So really I am hoping that on Monday there is a open with a gap towards the upside on the S&P 500. Also my expectation for a relief rally is based on the fact that US 2-year yields are at 4.21%, representing that the market is expecting another 1% increase in this year. That will take us to 4.25 roughly. Currently the US Fed rate stands at 3.25, so market has already factored in an additional 1% return. Personally my expectation is we will go towards the 4.5 level slowly, because I think the next interest rate increase will be 0.75 again. But for now the major work is already done, 1% has been factored in, and look at this RSI over here sitting at 84, very similar to what happened over here. And then in the short term we had some correction, so there is chance of at least some capitulation or correction in this area. And if this stays relatively flat or any correction happens over here, we know that S&P, stocks, crypto, everything will show us a good pump. So given all of these factors, I am expecting some relief rally to take place next week. And as you all aware, October is approaching very soon. That will be the earnings seasons. If we continue to see strong earnings in October, that will actually be very good, and that would mean we would see a full pump towards this trend line, taking us to roughly 4100 level, and that will be really good for the market. So yeah guys, for now I have entered the market. Guys, let me know in the comments what are you doing, what is your strategy in these tough times. Also, as you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.